Birds, let me see here. Chapter 17 and a half, birds. It's the stone crab bird. Or no, wait. It's the, aloe vera bird. Seriously, I found it. It's after reptiles. Which is fitting, because they're all dinosaurs. Here's a bird. This is the bird's bird, and the bird's beak, the bird's tail, and the vent, which is a pooper, and the... Oh! Find the birds again. This is a bird. It's not a waterfowl. I don't think it's a raptor. It's a velociraptor. What's a velociraptor? Oh, shorebirds? No. It's like birdie birds. Birds are birds. Wood owls? What? Cuckoo, cuckoo. I think it's a cuckoo. Cuckoo, cuckoo. It's in there somewhere. Oh, no, it's not an owl. Darn it. Man, it's kind of hard to identify birds. They fly really fast. And then when you ask them what color their beak is, they just say... It's pretty rough. I found the puppies. Puppies, yay.